This video will just be about the installation process and then arriving at the dashboard, right? So let's get right to it. Yeah, welcome back. So in this video we'll continue with the installation process, right? So as you can see, we are on the WordPress screen. So here we are meant to select the language we want, so we'll be selecting English. And then look at this, it says that for us to proceed, that we need the database name, the database username, password, and then the database host. So, and the fifth one, table prefix. But actually this 4 is the main thing we need, like the main credentials we need here. So for us to get this, we need to access the database, right? And for us to do that, all we need is just type localhost /php myadmin, and then so here we are, php myadmin. Another way for us to access this is through the panel, like the XAMPP panel, the control panel here. So for us to access this same localhost, like the php myadmin, all we need is just to click on this, right? All we need is just to click on this admin here on MySQL, and this localhost, like this php myadmin screen will open, right? So as we are here, we need to get these credentials, right? The database name, username, password, and host. So let's get right to it. So we click on new. So new, it says create database names. You can name anything, you can just use any name that suits you, right? But then we are using project 1 here. So created. So look at the database name we just created, right? And then when you click on it, here you will see the tabs for us to work with on this database, right? So but in this situation, we don't really need to make any changes at the moment, because if we go to privileges, you will see that the system has already created the username for us, which is root, then the host name, then the privileges have been granted already, right? So we'll just make use of this one we have, just to make it easy. But even if you want to create your own, of course you can. Just start from new, add user account. That is if you want to create a different username, password, and all that, right? So for this purpose, if we are using this root, so username will be root, then we have no password here, so the password will be empty, and then the host name will be either 127.0.0.1 or localhost, right? So let's get right to it. So let's go. The table prefix, yeah, we can use WP, or we can use any name. Let's say PRJ, which is project, or let's say PR, just as a prefix for our table. You can actually leave it as WP, the way it was before. So as it stands now, we can click submit, and as you can see, we got it correctly. So it says, alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation process. So all we need to do is now continue with the installation, and then right here we can now set up the information needed for the website. So after we must have filled everything, all we need just do is to click install WordPress. And here we are, success. So you can just go on and click login. So the login, we'll just need to put our username and then password and then login. So now we are in to the WordPress dashboard, right? So this is where the work starts. This is where we do the configuration of everything we need, to get the work or to get the project started. So thank you very much for following. In the next video, we'll just start with the configuration of this dashboard. Thank you. So in the next video, we'll just go ahead with explanation of what the dashboard is all about, the setup of the dashboard, configuring it, and kind of setting the dashboard and making it suitable for the project we are about to work on. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.